Hi, I'm Katie Gallagher from Honorlock. Want to proactively protect your exam content and stop test questions from being leaked online? In today's quick tip, I'll show you how to identify and take action on compromised exam questions before testing even begins. Let's explore how Search and Destroy helps you keep your exam secure and your questions off the internet. Here's what we'll cover today: what Search and Destroy does and why it matters, how to access Search and Destroy, and what actions you can take based on results. So what is Search and Destroy? Exam content gets shared online more often than you think. From popular study sites to forums, questions can get leaked with just a few clicks. Search and Destroy scours the internet to find your questions on those sites before test takers do, and shows you exactly which assessment items are compromised. And the best part, you can take action in just one click. So how does it work? Just remember ART: access, review, take action. Let's start with access. Simply navigate to Honorlock assessments within your course. Once your exam is enabled in Honorlock, head to the Results tab and select Search and Destroy. Next up, review. Search and Destroy automatically scans for compromised content and organizes results into 3 categories. Compromised items are only found on a handful of supported sites. You can send takedown requests for these. Commonly found items is just like it sounds. They appear on many sites or none that we support. It's best to just simply rewrite these questions. And unique items are not found online at all. These are gold. You can drill into each item to see the specific sites and results. So, what can you do with these results? You can take immediate steps to remedy the situation. If the questions are compromised, just click Send Takedown to All to initiate a DMCA request. Or update the question directly in your LMS to maintain your exam integrity. Search and Destroy is simple, quick, and effective. Fun fact: Search and Destroy helps you leverage the 1998 Digital Millennium Copyright Act, or DMC for short, to address copyright issues in the digital age, including the process for requesting the removal of infringing content, to take steps to protect your assessment content. So, why does it matter? Proactively identifying and addressing leaked content protects the integrity of your exams. It helps you create and refine more secure assessment items. It gives you peace of mind, which saves you time and stress during actual testing. Plus, Search and Destroy is included for all Honorlock clients at no extra cost. With Honorlock, protecting your exam content is as easy as ART: access, review, take action. Thanks for joining me for this quick tip video. Give Search and Destroy a try today and ensure your assessment items stay secure.